Hey Anthony, this is Mark. Hey, I'm going to go over 3 tips that you can do today to help you bring more customers in. Man, I know times are tough, so we really just want to help businesses grow. So if at the end of the video, man, you like what you heard and you think we can really help you, man, reach out. We'd love to chat. Otherwise, you can take these tips and tricks and do them yourself, man. So let's just jump right into it. So I noticed you guys didn't have a site, or I guess I just couldn't find it. So um, I had my team go ahead and build out a website for you guys. So let's say if this is your website, this is how it's going to look for you guys. So now you've got 3 different options here, and this is all included in your website. So you've got your main desktop page, you have your tablet, and you also have your phone view. So now if you guys were to click into your a desktop version, so now this would be, let's say this is your site. Man, I'm telling you, I already got this built out for you. So if this were to be your site, this is how it would look, man. You would really like, the first thing we want to go over is your content. So you want to have at least 1,500 words of content. So like I said, we had this one built out for you guys, and this is how it would look. It's 100% active. It's 100 ready to go. All we need to do is just get it activated. So all you have is your information here. We've got different services that you would be able to have. You've got great pictures, great layout. So like I said, man, this is 100% ready to go. We just need to let me know if you're ready to do this. So again, let's just jump right on into the whole tutorial. So like I said, we're going to use Fresh Lawn Care Services, as a guide. So like I said, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content in your main page, right? So you want to have these buyer intent keywords throughout these 1,500 words. And we'll explain the keywords in just a second. So another thing is you want to have these pictures saved as one of these keywords here. The next thing that we want to go over is your citations. As you can see here, this is what we call a map pack, and typically this is your goal to be on page number 1 as a business, right? So everyday consumers are typically going to search for these lawn maintenance in Houston. So this is they when they choose for these main keywords, this is what's going to show up, right? So this is what we call the map pack. And how do you get here? Well, with these citations are your business name, address, and phone number, right? When registered through directories such as yellowpages.com, yelp.com, or even the Better Business Bureau. Yelp is one of the big ones, man, and when it's created, it creates a backlink to your page, which we'll go over those. So as these backlinks, man, as you can see underneath here, underneath the map pack, is what we call the organic section. Your keywords and backlinks play a big part of how you're ranked here, right? So, for example, we did some of the work on the back end for you guys, and again, we're going to stay with these guys here, Lawn Care Services. So, if you take a look here, this is your organic keywords, and like I said, this is a paid site that we use. Is called Ahrefs. So, we did some of this work, and it gives you an idea of how your website's performing. This shows how many keywords you have and referring domains, and it also shows out how many people are actually viewing your site here. So these guys they've got 108 keywords with 124 people coming to their site each month for these organic keywords. And these keywords are like all seasons lawn care. These guys are getting 600 searches a month for just that word. All season lawn service, they're getting about 80. So, which in turn will bring this amount of traffic back into their site, right? So, looking at these keywords, man, you want to have these buyer intent keywords that people are searching for, which in turn will bring more traffic to your site, right? So as far as the backlinks, man, they're not all created equally. Some have the rule of not to follow, which won't give you the site power at times. It may take away from it. it really just depends on how you guys build out these backlinks and these informational sites for your page, right? So, man, it's very time consuming, which is why businesses really hire somebody to do this for them. Also, man, when you create a backlink, it really gives your site search engine power, which is almost like a popularity contest in Google's eyes, which is how in part of how Google will put you in the give you the authority to be up on page one. So, going back over, man, I mean, if you think, well, you want us to save you some time and do this for you, man, we'd love to help you out. Simply reply back to the email. My phone number and email addresses are in the email here. Man, we look forward to hearing from you, and we hope you found it informational. And again, man, if you want to get this site going, I mean, it's a really nice looking site, nice layout. If you want to get it going, man, I sent you. I'm going to send you a link inside your email address or your email that I'm sending you, so you can take a closer look at it and give it some time to think about it or whatever. So. Again, my name is Mark, man. My phone number, email address are in the email, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.